So my mother-in-law decided to take over the kitchen today. We're going to enjoy you. She'll be preparing salad cream. I said salad cream, special salad cream, as she calls it. But to my surprise, guys, like, it came out beautiful and tasty. Ngwano, grab your seat. Me so I sit down the watch. Make my mama take us on this journey.
I am opportuned to have some advice for the healthy living in our feeding. When we are getting aged, we'll have to take care of our feeding so that we can live more longer. Thank God for a special menu, which I believe is helping. It will help so many people. From what I observe, be here to contribute my own quota when I saw the good work you are doing in showing how to make a good, healthy food. When we are getting aged or old, we need to know the type of food we eat. I want to show how I prepare my salad cream. People have devised my own means of getting salad cream on my own way to help me in healthy living. You know, the salad cream contains sugar and some other things, especially oil. But as we are getting aged, even not only the old people, if we start earlier to maintain good feeding, it will help us even from the young time as we are living. These are the ingredients to prepare the menu or prepare the healthy salad cream in a natural way. So this is Irish potato. This is kidney beans, and this is green peas. Then we have a red cabbage, which is more better, though it's a little bit costlier, but it's best than the wild green one. Sorry, you know that the carrot is and also we have a chicken. You know, chicken is a white meat, which is more healthier for the aged people than the red meat. As you have seen the ingredients, we are going to start preparing it. We boil the potato, then also boil the beans and the green peas. Then we also parboil the meat, the chicken. All this, the chicken is for taste, and you will love it after preparing it. And I believe it's more healthier, even for both old and young people.
So after slicing the chicken, we wash the chopping board thoroughly because we will still be needing it to prep the remaining ingredients. Like I told you, Mama is the one doing the whole thing. Sorry we did not carry you along when we were about to cook the chicken. So as you can see, it's ready. The chicken is done. What she actually did is this: she seasoned the chicken with just salt and seasoning cube, and still she did not add water at the beginning. Though if you want, you can add pepper to your own. So the chicken cooked for about 4 minutes before she added water. This is to allow the seasonings to get into the chicken properly, so that's all got total. So all our ingredients are ready now. Wow. So for the real ingredients that you're going to be using for the main salad cream, you can use your blender to blend, as in it will give you a very smooth paste, which is the way it's supposed to be. And mind, please, if you're using blender, don't add water. Let it be as in just those things, so it will not be water. So for as in the way you enjoy this salad, if you are using it with rice, if you are going to eat it with rice, you have to mix up the whole thing, both the cabbage and the cream. Mix it up just the normal way we enjoy our salad with rice. But if you want it to serve as meal, just the salad, you don't need to mix up the whole thing. You can plate it like in a way that the salad itself will be separate and the cream separate. You just when you take this, mix it, then yummy. So our Manchester United is here. Let's see if he would like it. Wow, from the expression you can know that as like he is really enjoying it. He's really enjoying it. Me, I can't wait to test mine though. So guys, you really need to try this out. This is coming from our mama, so you should know, as in it's about health. You need to try it out, like try it. And please don't forget to subscribe, like our videos, also comment, share. Thank you.